Welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep you in the know about all things beauty. Are you someone who struggles to find an eyeliner and mascara combo that not only lasts all day, but also gives you those bold, dramatic eyes without the dreaded smudge? Well, I might have the solution for you. Today, we're looking at the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Infallible Eyeliner and Voluminous Mascara, a powerful duo designed to make your eyes stand out, whether you're heading to work or hitting the town. But do they live up to the claims? Let's dive in and see. The L'Oreal Paris Makeup Infallible Eyeliner is a gel-based pencil that promises to glide on effortlessly, offering fade-proof color that lasts up to 16 hours. It's designed with a built-in sharpener and smudger, giving you the versatility to create everything from a sharp, defined line to a softer, smokier look. On the other hand, the Voluminous Original Mascara aims to boost your lashes up to 5 times their natural thickness without clumping. And it leaves lashes feeling soft and supple, which is a great bonus since many thickening mascaras can leave your lashes feeling dry or stiff. Now, I had the chance to test both products in a real-world setting. Let's start with the eyeliner. Applying it was a breeze. It really did glide on smoothly with no tugging. The color payoff was intense, and I didn't have to go over the line multiple times. I was able to achieve a bold look without much effort, which was great for my morning routine. And true to its word, the eyeliner stayed in place all day long without smudging or fading, even after wearing it for more than 12 hours. As for the mascara, I was impressed with how it thickened my lashes. I could definitely see a noticeable difference in volume, but without that clumpy, spidery look. It also didn't weigh my lashes down, so they still had that soft, fluttery feel, even after several coats. One thing I did notice, though, is that it didn't curl my lashes much, so if you're looking for a curl, you might want to pair it with a lash curler before applying. Now for the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the eyeliner's smooth application and long-lasting power are definitely highlights. The built-in sharpener and smudger are also great features, making this a versatile product. As for the mascara, the volume it adds is impressive, and the fact that it doesn't dry out your lashes is a huge win. On the downside, the mascara didn't really add any curl to my lashes, so if you're looking for that, you may need an extra step. The eyeliner could also be a bit difficult to remove at the end of the day, as it's so long-lasting. In terms of value for money, I'd say both products are well worth the price. The mascara performs just as well as some high-end brands I've tried, and the eyeliner's lasting power is something I've not found in many drugstore products. Both of these will easily last you several months, making them a solid investment. When compared to other products in the same category, L'Oreal Paris is definitely a strong contender. For mascara, you're getting 5x the volume without clumping, which beats many competitors that claim volume but leave you with spider lashes. As for the eyeliner, the fade-proof formula and built-in tools make it stand out from other pencil eyeliners I've used, which often lack that lasting power. The build quality of both products is solid. The eyeliner has a smooth, sturdy pencil, and the mascara tube feels sleek and easy to handle. Both feel high quality, especially considering the price point. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other options that come close. Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara gives a similar effect, although it doesn't quite provide the same level of volume as L'Oreal's Voluminous. For eyeliner, Milani's Stay Put Gel Eyeliner Pencil is another option that gives long-lasting color, but again, it doesn't quite have the versatility of the L'Oreal pencil with its smudger and sharpener. So would I recommend this duo? Absolutely. If you're someone who loves bold eyes but doesn't have time for constant touch-ups, these products will save you time while delivering on performance. The eyeliner's smudge-proof formula and the mascara's voluminous effect are both key reasons why I'd suggest giving them a try. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you're interested in picking up these products, I've dropped the link in the comments below. And if you've already tried them, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.